Welcome. If you want to change a Lockscreen wallpaper in your NOKIA XR20, and first you have to go for the settings. Right now you have to simply go for the display, click on the advanced and go for wallpaper. Right now we can pick wallpapers from our photos, from device, or this kind of the wallpapers. Let's pick on device wallpapers, for example. I would like to apply this wallpaper. It looks very cool. Here you get the preview how it's going to look on the home screen and the lock screen. Let's click on the switcher and apply it on the lock screen. Take a look right now. I'm going to lock our device. And as you can see, our lock screen wallpaper has changed. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.